So in class the other day, we introduced recursive equations, and some of us had a pretty good handle on it, a few of us didn't. So if we look at this, I've got a recursive equation, okay? I have t of n plus 1 equals t of n plus 7. Now, you know that we would write in our table, our input-output table, we have n and we have t of n. And so n is my term number, okay? So if I gave you the term number, you're going to find the value of that term. T of n is the value of that term. So n plus 1 is the next term. And t of n plus 1 is the value of that next term. So specifically, I gave you already that t of 3 is 36. So if n is 3, t is 36. So when n equals 3, the value of my sequence is 36. So if n is 3, then t of 3 plus 1, because I'm plugging 3 in for n, equals t of 3 plus 7. Now, Mr. Hill, what am I going to do with that t of 3? Well, obviously, t of n plus 1, or t of 3 plus 1 is just t of 4. You can just simplify that. So t of 4, because if n is 3, n plus 1 is 4. T of 3 was already given to us right here. We know that t of 3 is 36. And then I'm going to add 7. And I find that t of 4 equals 43. So then if n is 4, so I know that t of 4 is 43. But for n equals 4, if I have t of n plus 1, t of 4 plus 1, it's going to equal t of 4 plus 7. But the thing is, I already know that t of 4 equals 43, so I'm going to plug that in. So I have that t of 5 equals the value I already know, plus 7, which is 50. So now my fifth term, I know, is 50. So now I want to find my sixth term. So if I want to find my sixth term, then I need n plus 1 to equal 6. So I'm going to do where n equals 5. So if I do n equals 5, t of 5 plus 1 equals 50 plus 7. Because again, I know that t of 5 equals 50. So I plugged 50 in. So t of 6 equals 57. And so very easily in the table, you can just see that I'm counting up by 7 each time. And so looking at a recursive equation, it just means that the next term equals the current term plus 7. And in order to find it, I had to give you this information right here. So again, a recursive equation is an equation that depends on knowing one or more of the terms in the sequence already. You have your term and then your common difference. Here's the term that I gave you. So if t of 3 is 46, then t of 3 plus 1, or t of 4 is going to be equal to what I know, plus 7. And then t of 5 would be equal to t of 4 plus 7. And t of 6 would be equal to t of 5 plus 7. And t of 7 would be equal to t of 6 plus 7. And t of 8 would be equal to t of 7 plus 7. And so on and so forth.